Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. And if you are actually new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So today I am really excited because we are going to be doing a little holiday gift guide, a little holiday recommendation, and I am partnering with, this video is sponsored by JCPenney and Sephora inside of JCPenney. I have picked some of my favorite items to share with you guys, and we are going to be going over everything. I'm going to do a little tutorial as well. And in honor of the holiday spirit, Sephora inside JCPenney is teaming up with me to give you guys a huge giveaway. So make sure you go and check out my Instagram post with all of the details on the giveaway, which is going to be a $500 gift card to Sephora inside JCPenney. So make sure you follow up with my Instagram post for the rules. And you know, I feel like this is so exciting because not everybody knows that there is Sephora inside JCPenney, and they have amazing products, amazing stuff. I'm so excited, like the stuff that I picked out to show you guys. I think that these will definitely win best gift of the year, hunty. So that's another reason why we're doing this little gift guide together. I love to give gifts. That is my specialty. I am so good at giving gifts, okay? And I'm not even being conceited about this. But I picked out some of the gifts that I knew when I give to people, they would like be just so excited. So yeah, like let's just get into it, you guys. I'm so thrilled. The first item I want to talk about is hair care. So if you are someone who is like me, that really is very minimal when it comes to doing your hair. Like if you know someone who's literally identical to me, that like I would literally leave my house like this and be like, whatever, I don't care. Like I have found that a really good gift that I received once that I really liked was a straightener, because your girl can always use a straightener. It's kind of foolproof, really easy to use, and it's like a nice way to be like, hey girl, fix your hair. You know what I mean? So the first product I want to talk to you guys about is from Drybar. This is the Tress Press, or the Tray Press? I don't know. Styling Iron Drybar Titanium Technology. So I'm going to do a little demo for you guys with this. And honestly, if I can do this, you guys can do this. And this is a great gift. Like Drybar, they have great quality products. They're kind of bougie products, but not too over the top price-wise. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to turn it on. It has the temperature right back here, and you can set it. I usually like to do, so this goes all the way up to 450. Now, if you're someone like me who has thinner, finer hair, I find that 350 is usually a good temperature for myself. Another cool thing to know about this styling tool is that the titanium plates it has inside, if you guys can see, is really perfect for every type of hair because it works to kind of like smooth any frizziness you have going on and stuff like that. It's really easy to use, and it kind of calms your hair down, makes it feel very smooth. You know how sometimes if you use a straightener, your hair can feel very dry afterwards? With this product, it really doesn't. Also, if you are a person on the go, this does have a 60-minute shut off. So God forbid you leave it plugged in and turned on, it will shut off automatically, which I really like because this time of year my head is in all different spaces. I'm not even thinking right. I literally forgot to feed the dogs this morning. I realized at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. And the plates here, it really just grabs onto the hair really nicely. It doesn't like tug. And even right now my hair, I haven't fully brushed it, like, you know, from this morning. I still have my bed head and it's going through no problem. I mean, I'm sure you guys can tell I haven't brushed it. It's just really easy to use. Simple, a great gift, and it really glides through easily. Also, I do just want to point out that even though this is a sponsored video, I chose these products. These are products that I literally picked out from the whole website and really wanted to highlight, key focus on. So even though this is a sponsored video in general, these are products that I have picked out. So the next one I wanted to talk about is a skincare product. Always got to throw in some good skincare. You know, I have found that if you have like aunts or even uncles or whatever it may be, if you're having a hard time shopping for your dad, your boyfriend, your brother, whatever, I find that skincare is a really good medium ground because people aren't afraid of skincare. If you give someone like, let's say, I don't know, a foundation or a lipstick, they may be afraid of it. So I always find that skincare is a really, really, really good gift. So I wanted to include the Ole Henriksen Truth Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I think that Ole Henriksen has some of the best skincare products around. And when I saw this on the website, I was like, oh, I have to include this because it's a really good facial moisturizer. It's also good for your neck. So if you have any relatives or people that you're shopping for that, you know, have a little bit more of a mature neck, and there's nothing wrong with that, okay? We're doing all preventative stuff. Even if we don't have a mature looking neck, this is really good for preventative. Now, I did this underneath my foundation and stuff like that. Obviously, I have my base done, but you can use this in the morning and the night. This product is going to be good for every skin type, which is another reason why I included it, because like that way you don't have to awkwardly ask whoever you're getting gifts for, like, hey, what's your skin type? Like oily? You know, this is really good for all skin types. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. And this time of year is very, very stressful. So it leaves your skin, like when you're stressed out, your skin can even get dull and dry. I mean, I've had it happen to me. I've woken up on days and I've been like, oh my God, I look like I got hit by a truck. And this is also a really great product to moisturize and bring life back to your skin and your face. And honestly, whoever you buy this for, you're gonna get them hooked because this is one of my favorite products that Ole has. And one last thing about this product is that it has a lot of vitamin C, which is always really good for the skin. So the third product I wanted to include for you guys is a perfume because, like I said, you have some people that you're going to be shopping for that may not have like the experience in makeup, or makeup may scare them. And I always think a good skincare product, a good hair product, or a good perfume product is always a good way to go. This perfume is from Lancome, and I don't know how to properly say it. La Vie est Belle. I hope I'm saying that right. I really wanted to announce it in a Italian accent, but I know that Lancome is not an Italian brand. So, yeah, but this is a very nice, feminine smelling perfume. Do a little spritzy spritz myself. This has some iris in it, jasmine. It's a very pretty smelling perfume. I like really sweet smelling perfumes. This is not that sweet. It's not too sweet, but I genuinely, like when I shop for a perfume, this is the perfume I tend to go towards. You know, it does have a little bit of that floral aspect to it, which I really like. Some people may not like it, but you know, I'm just telling you guys what I would like to receive and what I like, you know what I mean? And also, La Vie est Belle means life is beautiful in France, I believe it is. I think it's French, sorry, but if it's not, I'm sorry. But I like that as well. I think that's a cute saying. And finally, I'm gonna add some makeup in for my makeup junkies out there like myself. This is the Dream Queen collection from Too Faced. You have a full-size palette that it comes with. You have this really cute bag that it comes with, and also you get the Hangover X 3-in-1 setting spray, a lip gloss, and a mini Better Than Sex mascara, all for $58, which is a really, really good value. And Sephora inside JCPenney has some really good value gifts, some value holiday gifts. So even though I'm not mentioning all of them, you definitely should still check them out because there are some bomb things. I wanted to show you guys a little tutorial with this palette because I feel like it's cute, really cute palette, and has a lot of awesome colors. I've actually used this palette before. This is a brand new one, but I have tested this palette out before, and I do really like it because you have your bronzer, your blushes, a little highlighter. You have a bunch of different shades here to really play along with. So I figure, you know what, let's just turn this into a little, like if you do put this on your wish list, or if you are getting it for someone, you can refer them back to this video to do like a little tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. I'm first going to go in with this shade right here, Unwrapped, and I am going to plop that on the crease. So I'm going to go right here and just do windshield wiper motions. And I feel like this palette is really pigmented. And like I said, Too Faced has really been impressing me this year with their collections and launches. So I really just wanted to include this palette because I think it's very, very pretty. And do the same thing over here with this eye, just right in the crease, getting our transition shade down. And then the next shade I want to go in with is right up here called Secret Santa. And I'm going to plop that a little bit lower in the crease, kind of adding a little pop of a pinky, a muted pink nude, I would say. This is a very pretty matte shade and really, really easy to blend out. These shadows are really beautiful. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Son of a Nutcracker right here. And it has those really cute Christmas elements to it. Like the names are like Kissmas, Let's Kringle, All the Jingle Ladies, Cozy Up, Selfies, like, but Elfies, you know what I mean? So it's really cute. And then I'm just gonna focus this really in the outer corner. Gonna just add some depth there. And then you can take a brush with no additional product on it and kind of like smooth out the edges. And then just doing the same thing over here in the outer corner, darkening it up. And then I'm actually gonna add a little touch of black, which is called Special Delivery. And I'm gonna just focus that again in the outer part of my eye. Just like so, and kind of bringing it into right here. And then going in with a brush and kind of blending it out, you know, just taking your time. But these shadows are really easy to work with. They kind of blend for you, so you don't have to go back and really blend too much. So for our lid shade, I'm going to be taking the shade Selfies, and I'm going to be applying that to the entire lid. This is a really fun color for the holidays. I mean, this whole palette has some really awesome colors for the holidays. So then you can always go in and kind of like smooth out any edges that you have, however you want to do it. Same over here. Okay, so then I'm going to finish off this look, and I used the mascara and popped on some lashes. And I'm going to finish it off with the Hangover 3-in-1 spray. Ooh, that smells so good. I've never actually used this before, so I'm excited. And yeah, this palette was really awesome, really easy to use. You have the option to do some more cool tones, to do warm tones. There's colors, there's blush, there's everything. I'm actually going to add a little bit of blush to my cheeks because I can never have enough blush, honestly. And my skin kind of like eats away at blush. Like, I don't know. I have a weird skin, okay? So yeah, these were all of the products that I picked for a holiday gift guide. I think they're all really awesome. Great quality, great gifts, everything. And you know, especially for the holiday season, I was really excited that we were able to throw in a giveaway. So make sure you tune into my Instagram for the rules. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you want some more holiday gift guides. Thank you again to Sephora inside JCPenney for sponsoring this video, and I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh wait, I forgot to put our gloss on. Oh my god. Got our Too Faced gloss. This is the lip gloss, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this on. My lips are super dry from, you know, no humidity here in California. So just a little something. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.